Good evening, everyone. My name is Sheriff Daramola, and I am welcoming you to another week and another opportunity to have a peep into my expectation for the new week. This week, I have only one pair that I'm going to be looking at in addition to the existing ones I have. And this pair for this week is the XAUUSD. On XAUUSD, I am expecting a bearish momentum moving into the new week. And technically, why am I saying this is so? Let's take a look at my chart and see what my expectations are. First of all, I'm moving on to the daily chart where I identified an emphatic move since the beginning of the month. And if we look down into to the beginning of the month, we realize that the gold has been on a bullish momentum and has recorded a significant growth of around 6.67% since the beginning of the month, which emphasizes the strong impulse leg that I have identified at this junction in the market. Now, considering the knowledge that after every impulse leg, there is going to be a correction phase that will be seen there will be a consolidation phase that will be seen before the correction finally happens. And since price hits the peak at 1878, we begin to see a decline in price as price continue to find lower lows. And what does this tell me? It tells me that we might be anticipating a correction phase in the near future that might lead into probably a 618 retracement before the rally continues. And I'm envisaging that price might get into this previous breakout level before we see a rally continuation around this area. So this being said, I am hoping to take advantage of this move to the downside before the rally probably will continue or not. So first of all, I would like to let you know um, what will give me a sign that the correction has ended. I am looking at a retracement into these areas, that is 50% retracement, between 50% retracement and 786 retracement, where okay, let me give this a blue, where I will be expecting a continuation to the upside. So let's dive into the lower chart to see how I intend taking advantage of this correction phase that appears to be building up at the moment. So moving on to my 4 hours chart, the most interesting thing I see on my 4 hours chart is that I have identified what looks like a reversal pattern around this area, and this reversal pattern can be seen with like this, and this gives me a clue that since price has been finding it difficult to move above 1870, probably there is a tendency that price wants to go to the downside to gain more momentum to push the price upward. So this being said, I have found a key zone around 1850. Let me give my key zone a golden color. So around 1850 is where I have found a level where a yardstick where I'll be looking to sell. Now this level has been a demand level for quite some time, before the breakdown finally happened on Friday. So this is my demand zone. This is my demand zone, and if we look at this critically, we'll notice that we have prices right back at the demand zone, and at the same time has broken down the key level, broken down and closed below the key level on Friday, which to me is a sign that we might be going moving further down in the coming week. So this being said, to be on a safer side on this pair, I am be suggesting that we stay involved in the market below this key level to be on the safer side. Below this key level to be on the safer side. However, it is possible that during the early part of the week we might see price move probably up into this zone before it finally takes its dive down to the previous breakout level that I explained to you on daily chart. So what I'm going to be looking at for the new week, for this week, is around a minimum of say 3,000 pips on this one, and if price moves as expected, we also have an opportunity to add to our existing position below at a breakdown below 1840, which is also another psychological level for the to take advantage of. So this is simply what my expectations are for the new week. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly click the like button, and if you have any suggestion, constructive criticism, or ideas you feel you want to share, kindly put it in the comment box below. Once again, thank you, and do have a wonderful and profitable week. My name is Sharif Daramola. I wish you a great week. Good night.